Different arc welding processes: SMAW, GMAW, GTAW, FCAW, SAW, PAW. So how do you go for selection of welding process? Depend on material thickness. So for example, if you take a thickness more than 3 mm, above 3 mm any thickness, you can go for SMAW process, and from 3 mm till 10 mm you can go for GTAW or TIG welding, whereas above 10 mm, so for example like 15 mm to 30 mm, okay, so we can go with FCAW or GMAW. So whereas 15 mm to 150 mm or above 150 mm, which is really heavy thickness. So for heavy thickness we can go with SMAW or FCAW. The best one is SAW, submerged arc welding.